I did completed BSc Information Technology and Management at Tamil Nadu. Then I did completed Master of Computer Application, the Gandhiram Road Institute in Tamil Nadu with aggregation 75%. My sister recommended to join Pyspiders. After I joined, Selenium is taken by the trainer Lakshmi Prasad sir, and manual taken by the Vijay sir, and SQL taken by Alex sir, and Python is taken by Jeevitha ma'am. In my experience, I came from Bangalore. It's really blank, I think. Then after coming to Pyspiders, I get some ideas how to make the knowledge in codings, how to make logics, and how to clear that. And they are conducting a test as well as written test and mock and grooming class, everything. It may be helpful to crack all the interviews. And thank you.